A passport is an official governmental document that contains a given person's identity. It helps its holder travel under its protection to and from foreign countries. The document certifies the personal identity and nationality of its holder. Standard passports contain the full name, photograph, place and date of birth, signature, and the expiration date of the passport. Many countries issue biometric passports that contain an embedded microchip, making them machine-readable and difficult to counterfeit. As of January 2019, there were over 150 jurisdictions issuing e-passports. Previously issued non-biometric machine-readable passports usually remain valid until their respective expiration dates. A passport holder is normally entitled to enter the country that issued the passport. Though some people entitled to a passport may not be full citizens with right of abode. A passport does not of itself create any rights in the country being visited or obligate the issuing country in any way, such as providing consular assistance. Some passports attest to the bearer having a status as a diplomat or other official, entitled to rights and privileges such as immunity from arrest or prosecution. Many countries normally allow entry to holders of passports of other countries, sometimes requiring a visa also to be obtained, but this is not an automatic right. Many other additional conditions may apply, such as not being likely to become a public charge for financial or other reasons, and the holder not having been convicted of a crime. Where a country does not recognize another, or is in dispute with it, it may prohibit the use of their passport for travel to that other country, or may prohibit entry to holders of that other country's passports, and sometimes to others who have, for example, visited the other country. Some individuals are subject to sanctions which deny them entry into particular countries. Some countries and international organizations issue travel documents which are not standard passports, but enable the holder to travel internationally to countries that recognize the documents. For example, stateless persons are not normally issued a national passport, but may be able to obtain a refugee travel document or the earlier, Nansen passport, which enables them to travel to countries which recognize the document, and sometimes to return to the issuing country. Passports may be requested in other circumstances to confirm identification, such as checking into a hotel or when changing money to a local currency. Passports and other travel documents have an expiry date, after which it is no longer recognized. But it is recommended that a passport is valid for at least 6 months, as many airlines deny boarding to passengers whose passport has a shorter expiry date, even if the destination country may not have such a requirement. One of the earliest known references to paperwork that served in a role similar to that of a passport is found in the Hebrew Bible, Nehemiah chapter 2 verses 7-9, dating from approximately 450 BC, states that Nehemiah, an official serving King Artaxerxes I of Persia, asked permission to travel to Judea. The king granted leave and gave him a letter to the governors beyond the river, requesting safe passage for him as he traveled through their lands. Arthashastra make mentions of passes issued at the rate of 1 masha per pass to enter and exit the country. Chapter 34 of the second book of Arthashastra concerns with the duties of the Mudradhyaksa, who must issue sealed passes before a person could enter or leave the countryside. Passports were an important part of the Chinese bureaucracy as early as the Western Ha. If not in the Qin dynasty, they required such details as age, height, and bodily features. These passports determined a person's ability to move throughout imperial counties and through points of control. Even children needed passports, but those of 1 year or less who were in their mother's care may not have needed them. In the medieval Islamic Caliphate, a form of passport was the bara, a receipt for taxes paid. Only people who paid their zakah or jizya taxes were permitted to travel to different regions of the Caliphate. Thus, the bara receipt was a basic passport. Etymological sources show that the term passport is from a medieval document that was required in order to pass through the gate of a city wall or to pass through a territory. In medieval Europe, such documents were issued to foreign travelers by local authorities and generally contained a List of towns and cities the document holder was permitted to enter or pass through. On the whole, documents were not required for travel to seaports, which were considered open trading points. But documents were required to travel inland from seaports. King Henry V of England is credited with having invented what some consider the first passport in the modern sense, as a means of helping his subjects prove who they were in for a